Hello, today we will guide you through how to deposit Solana on Axiom Pro with Phantom Wallet. To begin, open Axiom in your browser. Once the site loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct platform and that everything has fully appeared on screen before moving on. This helps avoid clicking the wrong option too early. Next, click on the Phantom extension. This is the point where Axiom connects with your wallet, so make sure your Phantom Wallet extension is already installed and accessible in your browser. If a wallet pop-up appears, review it carefully before continuing. After that, click on your profile. This will open the account area where you can access wallet and security-related options. From there, look toward the lower right area of the screen and click on Settings. Inside Settings, select Security and Privacy. This section contains sensitive wallet information, so it is important to proceed carefully and make sure no one else can see your screen while you do this. Now click on Show Recovery Phrase, and then follow the on-screen procedure. You may be asked to verify your identity or confirm access inside Phantom before the information is revealed. Be aware that recovery phrases and private keys are extremely sensitive. Never share them, never paste them into untrusted sites, and make sure you are only using the official Axiom and Phantom interfaces during this process. Once that is complete, go back and click on the profile icon at the top right of the screen. This will take you into another account menu. From there, click on Account and Security, then choose Manage Account. In the Manage Account section, click on Import. This option allows you to bring wallet access into Axiom so it can work with the same wallet credentials you're using from Phantom. At the import screen, enter the private key from your Phantom wallet. As you do this, be especially cautious. Double-check that you are entering the information only in the intended secure field, and avoid storing it in plain text anywhere on your device. If your browser tries to save it automatically, it is best to decline. After the private key is entered, follow any remaining prompts shown on screen to complete the import process. Once everything is connected, Axiom should be able to recognize the wallet, so you can continue using it for your Solana activity. That's the full process for connecting your Phantom wallet details inside Axiom Pro. Move slowly, verify each screen as you go, and handle all wallet credentials with care to keep your account secure.